Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the formal installation of Dr. Jerry Balentine as our new president. Let us all resolve to do what we can to make your presidency a new chapter of growth, excellence, and meaningful impact in New York Tech.
To Dr. Balentine, thank you for investing in us, not only with your resources, but with your belief in our potential. We ask that you continue to listen to our voices and ensure that New York Tech remains a place where creativity and innovation thrive.
Here's what New York Tech taught me. We don't need to build a telescope to see the stars, because they are standing right here with us. President Balentine, we are excited to have you leading this constellation of bright stars. Welcome.
It is a privilege and a pleasure to be able to celebrate the leadership of President Balentine, taking the helm of an institution that is a difference maker in so many places.
He's demonstrated leadership not just about guiding an institution, it's about empowering people, fostering innovation, and creating opportunities for all to excel. Congratulations, and welcome to this exciting new chapter for you and New York Tech.
I'm very happy to welcome you and to thank you for helping us lead this great institution into the future. I place over your shoulders the seal of the university.
My vision for this university is simple and clear. New York Tech will be the school that students choose because they know we deliver. We deliver careers, we deliver intellectual growth, we deliver value and return on investment. And as a result, we will deliver to the society at large our graduates, who are the doers, makers, innovators, and healers. As your president, I promise that I will make decisions because they're right for our students, right for our faculty, and right for our staff. Thank you.